Hello, good morning and welcome. Quite an exciting day we've got today. It's the 26th of July and it's just approaching 9 o'clock. So we've got the FOMOCO meeting tonight at 1900 hours GMT and also the interest rate agreement. So that should be we're expecting it to be bullish for the dollar, so it will be bearish for this pair. We've got the first up, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We have a short ratio of 7.3 to 1, and we've got extremes on both sides of the commercials and the speculators. We've had a couple of days fall on this. We're expecting a lot more. There was about 5,000 shorts added last week. We're below the 69.1 on the RSI. We've just bounced off the trend line. So we're expecting this to move down later tonight with the FOMOCO meeting. Right. USD Canadian dollar. We have just turned to a long ratio between the speculators and the commercials. So that's a switch. We've just changed over. And of course, we've got the meeting tonight. We had 10,000 extra shorts added. We've had a couple of days where we're just on support at the bottom here. We're well below the 30.9. That is a really nice position to start from if you're looking for a long. Normally I would wait for the RSI to cut the trend line here and sort of make it its way back up. But I think that really is a good long at the moment. USD, Japanese yen. In the short term, I'm expecting this to bounce back up. I don't know quite how high, but we're expecting strength in the dollar. On the short term, I think it'll outrun the Japanese yen. So we're expecting a bit of strength on this. We'll see how far it goes. We're just below the 50 at the moment, and look for the turn. USD Mexican peso, we have a long ratio for the pair of 2.83 to 1. This is the first time for a long time that the commercials have been short the Mexican peso. They normally long it. So this is quite a sort of a strong position. We're looking for the Mexican peso to gather strength. We've got that meeting tonight. So hopefully we will be making a break upwards on this pair. It's been a long time coming, and I hope this is a turning point. Right, the Euro GBP. We've got a divergence of 2.93 to 1 short the pair. It's not a big divergence, but we have had divergence between the candle chart here and the RSI. This normally shows sentiment, and we're expecting this to come down. We're at the top of the Bollinger Band, and we're expecting this to fall and break through the 20-day moving average and move to recent lows. So that's where I'm expecting that to go, and we'll see how we get on later this week. The pound New Zealand dollar, we're 8.4 to 1 long. So that is a large divergence on this. We broke out from the trend line a few days ago, and we've made fresh lows, and we appear to be moving back up. I'd like to see the RSI come through the 50. I don't think there's any more downside really on this. We've got stiff support at 1.7402. So give it till the end of the week, and I'm sure we'll see this coming back up. AUD JPY. This is what I really like. Both these currencies have fabulous divergence on the commitment of traders. If you look at the graphs that I did over Sunday in my commitment of traders reports, both these pairs are at extremes. So you've got the commercials are at an extreme, and the speculators are at an extreme. And on both these currencies, they are opposing each other. So this, as far as I'm concerned, is just a fabulous trade, and this is going to go short for us. So I'm really quite interested in this. Um, anyway, that's great. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for any likes or subscriptions, and hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers now. Bye.